today's menu, or curriculum, an easy recipe you can put together in no time. Japanese style curry udon. Leihoma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This curry udon recipe is definitely a recipe that every noodle lover has to make because it's incredibly delicious and super easy. But before we get started, a big thank you to the city of Mishima in Shizuoka, Japan, and the Izu Peninsula Tourist Bureau for sponsoring today's episode. Mishima is a historic town located an hour away from Tokyo on the Shinkansen, or the bullet train. The city is well known not only for having sweeping views of Mount Fuji, but also for producing highly regarded Mishima brand of upland crops such as carrots, radishes, and incredible potatoes. Four tablespoons cumin, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons coriander, 1 teaspoon fenugreek, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon allspice, 1 teaspoon cloves. Almost looks like one of those soup mix or hot chocolate mix with all those beautiful layers. Just close it up and give it a shake. These are really delicious Japanese sweet potatoes. I quite like the skin, so I keep them on there. If you can't find these, then just sub them out for regular sweet potatoes, or just russet potatoes will do fine as well. Roughly chop 4 to 5 Japanese sweet potatoes. One onion sliced. One carrot roughly chopped. Saute pan. Medium heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Now, while we wait for the pan to heat up, let me know in the comments below if you've ever been to Mishima, Japan, and did you know that Mishima is actually the home to Japan's longest suspension bridge? The Mishima Skywalk is a 400-meter bridge that offers visitors an astounding panoramic view of Mount Fuji. This bridge attracts visitors from all across Japan, and if you're feeling up for it, you can even zip line across the bridge. Saute the onions and carrots for about 5 minutes. Potatoes. Saute for another 3 to 5 minutes. One tablespoon curry powder. 1 tablespoon cane sugar. 2.5 cups vegetable stock. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce. Turn the heat up and bring to a boil, then let it simmer on medium for about 10 to 13 minutes. Bring another pot of water to boil for the noodles. Cook the udon noodles to package instructions, in this case about 5 minutes. Remember to give the noodles a stir to keep them from sticking. When the potatoes are fork tender, it's done. Traditionally, you would make a roux with flour to thicken up that curry, but we're gonna do something a little bit different. Blender. Pour the curry into the blender using a sieve to catch the solid ingredients. Add in about half a cup of the sweet potatoes. Remember, once you start blending it, you can always add more if it's not thick enough, but you can't take it away. Blend on high until the curry is rich and smooth. Pour the curry back into the sauté pan. Veggies. Stir for a couple of minutes on medium and you're done. Strain out the water from the noodles. Plate. Garnish with some freshly chopped cilantro. You can now make this delicious curry with absolute confidence. Not only was that easy to put together, let me tell you, that is beautiful. Man, those noodles are literally coated in that incredible Japanese curry. I think the thing I really like about this dish is that, of course, it's really delicious, but you get to toss these white noodles and turn them literally night and day into this beautiful, almost caramel color. And those noodles are literally coated with flavor. It really, really grabs onto that curry. And then you have the veggies to complement that Japanese curry. Have these sweet potatoes, adds that nice sweetness, and because we blended the sweet potato in the curry, it also gives that extra bit of sweetness. And the carrot adds that nice texture and sweetness as well. And the onions, the cilantro adds a little bit of freshness, and a little bit of color. Really delicious, really simple to put together. If you're able to make the Japanese curry powder ahead of time, just keep that in your pantry and you literally will be halfway there. You can literally taste all those amazing spices that went into that curry powder, and it just melts basically and gets absorbed into those amazing noodles. Really, really delicious. This bowl is just a delight. Absolutely love it. By the way, if you missed the previous episode on how to make the karaoke or the croquette, you can click the link above, or I'll leave a link for you in the description box below where you can watch that previous episode. The karaoke is considered a local gourmet delight in Mishima, and it's so popular that every shop has their own special ingredients and flavors. It's definitely considered a must-have with your meal, and in that episode, I made my very own chili shiitake mushroom karaoke. To learn more about the city of Mishima and the Izu Peninsula, I'll leave another link in the description box below where you can check that out, get more information on things to do and explore. And of course, as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.